Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and as we can clearly see that there are two massive red candles on the chart of GBPY. Yes, market was in uptrend, but there was heavy selling on the GBP JPY chart yesterday, and right now we can see that it is trading at 151.34. This is the current market price here. So if we just analyze the chart of GBP JPY, we can see that the overall trend of the market seems to be sideways. It means that the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. And if we just focus on the present trend of the market here, then the present trend of the market seems to be towards the upside. But after the heavy selling on the yesterday's market, we are skeptical right now in which direction we should be trading. And right now, if we just focus on the present candles here, then we can see that right now market has formed a doji or a spinning top kind of a pattern. And as we all know, spinning top kind of pattern or doji kind of candlestick pattern generally suggests that there is an indecision in the market right now. There is a confusion, there is a battle between the buyers and the sellers right now. As a result, we do not have the proper picture, clear picture in which direction the market will move. If you have watched my previous videos on GBP JPY, then you can easily recognize this level. I have been talking about this level for quite some time, the level of 151.40. This level was the support for the market, and right now we can see that market is trading below this support, but still we can see that buyers are present in the market and they are trying to take the price upward. Therefore, in this situation, this is not the time to short the market, because you can clearly see that market was the candle was red in color. Right now we are seeing a green color candle, so there is a constant battle between the buyers and sellers going on right now. So just tell me one thing, do you think that in this type of situation where there is an indecision in the market, you should go for any order? No, you should not. You should just wait for the market to give you a proper clarity, proper picture. Then only it will be wise for you to trade. Okay, and in this type of situation, the Pro Trader program comes into scene. It is a membership program that I have launched recently last month, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to the Pro Trader page on my website. You will find every information. So what should be our strategy for GBP JPY right now? The strategy is simple: wait and watch. In case market crosses the level, okay, in case market crosses this level of 151.40 level, then we will buy. We will only buy after waiting for a couple of hours. It means that in case market crosses the level, okay, then wait for 4 to 6 hours and just see how the price is doing or how the price is reacting. After 4 to 6 hours, if you see that price is still trading comfortably, there is no price struggle, then you'll get the confirmation that market has successfully taken support at this level, or this level is still a valid support for the market, 151.40. keep in mind. On the other hand, if you find market crossing this level 151.12, if you find market crossing this level, if you find market going down with huge red candles, big red candles, then you can short the market. Then you'll get the confirmation that 151.40 is a resistance for the market. The buyers who were fighting to take the price upward have surrendered and market is about to go down. So wait for the market to either go up or might to either go down. So you got the picture, right? In case market crosses this level 151.40 level, this line, wait for 4 to 6 hours. If you find market trading comfortably, go for a buy. In case market crosses this level 151.12 level. And if you see red candles, wait for 3 to 4 hours, 6 hours. If you see that selling pressure is still there in the market, buyers have surrendered, market has formed red candles, then you will get the confirmation that buyers have surrendered and you can short the market. You can click on the sell button on GBP JPY. So this is the strategy that you can follow for GBP JPY chart right now. So be careful, okay, and please follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's it. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow again.